So hello everyone. Today we are going to see a quick tutorial on how to create a drop down in Excel. So it is very simple. If you have a lot of data, just create a separate sheet, add your data like this. I'm just going to have two questions, that is pick the number from 1 to 10 and did you like this video. So then for my first question, I'm just going to have 10 values like this. Then I'm just going to create a drop down now. Choose the cell where you need the drop down, then go to data, click on data validation, click on data validation again. Then here you need to choose list from this drop down. Then you just need to choose the source here. So we have the data in another sheet, right? So we'll just click on this button here. We'll go to this sheet. We'll choose the data from first to last. Then we'll just click on this button again and click on OK. So here you can see the drop down is created. You can choose any number from here. I'll just choose 7 and it is visible here. So the second question is, did you like this video? So it is going to be yes or no. So I'm just going to click on data validation again. We'll click on data validation and choose list from here, and we will give the source as comma space and no. We'll click on OK now. Here you can see the drop down is created again. We'll choose yes. And I hope you have learned how to create a drop down in Excel. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.